Hello and welcome to How to Play 3-Player Chess. To play, you will need a 3-player chess set. Thanks to Yellow Mountain Imports for providing the chess set used in this video. Each player's pieces will be set up on a side of the board with letters on them. The rook is placed in the black square at the bottom left corner. Moving right, place a knight, bishop, queen, king, bishop, knight, and rook. 8 pawns are then placed in the 8 squares in the row in front of the pieces already placed. The object of the game is to capture your opponent's king pieces. The game starts with the player of the red pieces making the first move. Play then moves clockwise left to white and then left to black. Players continue to take turns making moves. The pieces move similar to movements in classic chess. Moving through the center of the board can get a little confusing. When a piece is moving straight through, the opposite edge from where the piece entered the space is where the piece will exit the space. When a piece is moving diagonally, the opposite point from where the piece entered the space is where the piece will exit the space. When moving diagonally through the middle, the player has 2 options when exiting the space. Similar to classic chess, players will announce check when an opponent's king is in danger of being captured, or checkmate when an opponent's king piece is about to be captured and can no longer escape. Players must agree on one of 3 variations to winning the game before the game starts. First, if a player is in checkmate, that player loses their turn and waits. If the third player is able to save the checkmated king, the game continues. If not, the game ends and the player who delivered the checkmate is the winner. The second and third variations have the game continue after the first captured king. One option is that the game continues with the player who captured the first king getting to take over the checkmated player's pieces as their own for the rest of the game. The other option is that the checkmated player's pieces stay on the board but are not played by any player. These dead pieces can be captured by either of the remaining players. The game continues until the final checkmate is delivered. If a pawn is able to reach either of the opponent's end board, it can be promoted. That wraps up how to play 3-player chess. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.